Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain comes from years of hands-on experience, listening to countless customers and solving hundreds of real-world cases in our repair shop. Many customers tell us the error appeared out of nowhere, even after replacing a valve, doing yard work, or moving some wires around. From our experience, those details matter because they often indicate that something has changed in the electrical circuit for that zone. The first thing we usually check is the valve solenoid. If this small electromagnet is damaged, shorted, or no longer operating properly, the controller detects abnormal electrical current and triggers zone fault 16. Many of our technicians agree that this is one of the most common causes. If the solenoid is in good condition, the next step is inspecting the wiring. Over time, moisture, tree roots, rodents, or even gardening tools can damage underground wires. A loose connection, corrosion, or moisture can also cause the controller to detect a fault even if the valve works intermittently. Another detail that's easy to overlook is the common wire. If it has a loose connection or has deteriorated, it can trigger the same error. We've also seen installations where a single zone output is powering two valves at the same time, which can draw more current than the controller expects. Rachio explains that zone fault errors occur when it detects an abnormal electrical condition on a specific zone. The company recommends checking the wiring, connections, and solenoid before suspecting a faulty controller. At this time, there are no known technical bulletins linking zone fault 16 to a widespread manufacturing defect.